In today's video, we're going to give you an overview of the trading platform DXtrade, how it works, how to execute trades, and much more. Let's get started. So this is the default layout you'll see upon logging in. First up, we have these tabs to add windows like Chart, Positions, and Watchlist. Simply click on the window you want, like Positions or Watchlist, and it will appear right where you need it. Next, we have My Accounts and Tools. From here, you can add different tabs to the layout, such as the Positions tab, Orders tab, etc. Similarly, you can add a watch list, market depth, and more. Let's move on to one of the platform's most convenient features, one-click trading. Simply click on the toggle button to enable it. Click Activate, and now placing trades is as simple as a single click. Select the instrument you wish to trade, click Sell or Buy, and your order will be executed instantly. Let's disable it for now. Next, let's take a look at the account details. Here, you can view important information like the balance, equity, profit and loss, used margin, free margin, and margin level percentage. You can easily switch between Euro and USD from here. Next up, you'll see your current trading account number displayed right here. If you click on it, you'll see a list of all your DXtrade accounts associated with the same email address. You can switch between them effortlessly. Simply click on the account you want to log into, and that's it. You're ready to trade on that account. Now let's navigate through the windows. First up, we have a watch list, your go-to place for all the available instruments. You can right-click on the particular instrument and then click on Instrument Info to see details such as swap charges, trading hours, and more. To place a trade, simply click on the Sell or Buy button next to the instrument you wish to trade, and an order window will pop up where you can set the trading parameters. Here, you can select the order type you want to place. For example, if you want to set a buy limit or sell limit, choose Limit from the dropdown. If you're setting a buy stop or sell stop, select Stop. Let's go ahead with Market Order. You can set your lot size by using these icons or by directly entering the value. To set stop loss and take profit, select Protection Orders. You also have the flexibility to view the stop loss and take profit in different units, such as price, pips, projected loss, or even as a percentage of your balance. Once you've set everything up, click Send Order. You'll receive a notification at the top right corner confirming that your order has been placed successfully. Now, let's talk about another interesting feature, the ability to set predefined stop loss or take profit. Right-click on any instrument and select Preconfigured SLTP. New window will pop up. Here, you can set your stop loss and take profit in advance, in pips. Let's go ahead and set it to 15 pips. Once done, click Apply. The next time you place a trade, the stop loss will be automatically set. So we have placed the trade using the default watch list. You can even create a watch list of your own. To do so, simply click on the default watch list header and then select Create Your List. Here, name your new list. Let's name it Indices and click Save. To add instruments to your watch list, use the search bar. For example, let's add US 30. Just search US 30, select the instrument, and it's added to your watch list. You can also customize the columns by clicking the hamburger icon and selecting Columns Customization. Now, if you want to remove an instrument, right-click on it and select Close Instrument from the dropdown. Next, let's explore the chart window. You can place trades directly from the charts. Search for the instrument, set the lot size, and click on Sell or Buy, and an order window will appear where you can set your parameters. Click Send Order to place your trade, and that's it. You can even place a pending order from the chart. Right-click on the chart to set up the pending order. Alternatively, simply navigate to a specific price at which you want to open a trade, click on the plus icon, and select the limit or stop order. As before, the order window will pop up. Adjust your parameters and click Send Order. Now let's customize the chart. To get a better view of the chart, you can expand the chart by using this Maximize button. First, let's navigate through the toolbar at the top. Here you can change the time frame of the chart. You have options ranging from 1 minute to 1 month. By using this candlestick symbol, you can change the chart type to bar graphs, line graphs, histogram, and many more. Let's stick to the classic candlestick. Next is the drawing tools. Here you'll find various tools like trend lines, arrows, ovals, rectangles, and more. Alternatively, You can access these drawing tools from the left side of the chart window. Next up, we have indicators. From here, you can add built-in indicators to your chart. If you want to view multiple charts at once, the multi-chart feature is for you. Let's switch it back to one. Here we have the snapshot feature. You can either download the chart image or copy it directly. Lastly, we have the chart settings. In the General tab, you can choose to show or hide various features like high and low values, horizontal or vertical grid lines, candle wick, and even the watermark and crosshair. Simply select the checkbox next to the feature you want to display or hide. Next up, in the trading section, you can enable or disable features like trading directly from the charts. You can also choose to show or hide active orders, open positions, and executions. Moving on to the Legend tab, here you can show or hide the instrument name, OHLC values, volume value, and aggregation period. Now it is Scales that allows you to invert or lock the scale of your chart. Data lets you align your data with the session start and adjust it according to volume. Now let's dive into the Colors tab. From here you can change the colors of your chart, like adjusting the colors of bullish and bearish candles. Lastly, we have paddings. If you prefer more space around the chart, just increase the percentage for the top right and bottom margin. Now, let's minimize the chart and navigate to the bottom of the platform. Here we have different tabs. First, we have a Positions tab where you can see all the open trades. To modify an open position, double-click or right-click on the trade and select Modify Position. A new window will pop up. Here, you can adjust stop loss or take profit levels and click Modify. Now, let's discuss how to close a trade. Select the trade you want to close, then click the cross button next to the trade. A window will pop up showing trade details like position ID, opening time, profit and loss, and more. Click Close Position and you'll get a notification in the top left corner confirming that the trade is closed. Alternatively, you can right-click on the trade and select Close Position. The same window will appear, just click Close Position to finalize. To partially close a trade, select the trade, click the cross sign. A new window will pop up. Here, set the lot size you wish to close and click Close Position. And that's it. The order has been partially closed. You can simply click on the cross icon here to close all the positions at once. Next up, we have an Orders tab where you can view all your pending orders. This tab keeps you informed about orders that are yet to be executed. We have other tabs here, the Order History tab and Trade History tab. The Order History tab shows the status of orders, while the Trade History tab shows the details of executed orders. Next up, we have these trading tabs right here at the top of the platform. My Trading Account for an overview of your trading activity. Now, let's talk about Trading Journal. Here, you can see all the trades you've placed up to this point. You can customize the time range from here to focus on trades within a specific period. Next, if you're into technical analysis, you have a separate window dedicated to it. Then we have a Trading View tab where you can use its charts for analysis. Lastly, we have the Trading Dashboard. This is your go-to place for performance insights. You'll see information like your win rate, total profit and loss, the instruments you've traded, and much more. You can even see the average winning and losing trade holding time. It's a great way to get a quick overview of how you're doing. Now, let's talk about customizing the layout. To customize your layout, click the plus icon here to add a new workspace. Name it, add tabs like charts and watch lists, and arrange them as needed. Now save your layout by clicking the layout symbol and selecting Save Layout As. After naming it, click on Save, and that's it, your personalized layout is now saved. To access your saved layout, click on the layout icon again. Under the My Layouts section, you'll see all the layouts you have created. Finally, click the three lines at the top right for the Profile section where you can access trading terms and conditions, enable broker price alerts, switch to a light theme, and log out. You can also use the toggle button to enable or disable sound notifications for order executions and rejections. Also, we have an account statement here. Simply click on it. A new window will pop up, allowing you to generate your account statement. Here, you can select the trading account and the time period for which you want to generate the statement. You can even customize the time frame by selecting specific dates. Just pick the start and end dates. Once you've set everything up, simply click on Generate Statement. And that's it. Your account statement is successfully downloaded. And that's it. That was all about DXtrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.